Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today I will talk about a new project called harvestkeeper. It's pretty new and it's interesting because it's, honestly speaking, it's one of the first projects since a long time I've come across that doesn't scream like already 10 miles away scam, scam, scam. Okay, so is it good to invest? Stick with me and I will tell you. So first of all, it says increase your capital, which, yeah, who doesn't want that? With harvestkeeper, bought with artificial intelligence by 101% in just 21 days. 4.81%, a fixed daily reward that any harvestkeeper user receives every day. So, but guys, what are we looking for? If you've been subscribed to my channel for a long time, you know we are looking for KYC. We are looking for, has the contract been audited? Can you get your money out whenever you want, and all of this stuff. Positive, what I can tell you first of all is the guys behind the project, they don't hide their faces. You can even see the YouTube videos here of the guys, or actually that's the same guy, I would say, but they don't hide their faces. So basically they say you get 4.81% daily because there is a trading bot, okay? And if the trading bot, for example, doesn't make this 4.81% daily, for example, it makes just 2%, then there's some treasury that they have, and they will pay the amount that is outstanding to get the 4.81% daily. So basically not bad, I would say. So has the contract been audited? Yes, guys, okay? So this is good. We are always looking for, has KYC, audited contract, and are the people hiding their faces or are they visible, and can you get your money back or out whenever you want, okay? So first of all, okay, the audit you can see here, nothing really bad. As long as you go down here, owner can take tokens USDT from contract. So basically it works like this: you connect your wallet and you pay, you give them your USDT, and then you get your rewards. But you can see the owner can take your USDT, which is of course not good, okay? Let me show you something else. For example, after 10 days, if you would invest 1K, you would get 481 US dollars in rewards. That's the team, so you can even check the Twitter and LinkedIn profiles. This is good, okay? Let me go on and show you. So basically you just connect your wallet and you can deposit. But what I don't like, look here, can I withdraw back my initial invested funds? Basically no, because after 21 days you will get your initial back if it pays the rewards at 4.81% daily. In addition, you can get back your initial USDT investments after 60 days. That means if it is still there after 60 days, okay? What could happen? For example, even if they show the faces and all of this, okay, they could, let me just tell you what could happen. They could say, okay, the trading bot made a huge mistake and they have access to the USDT in the contract, and they just take all the USDT out and say, for example, okay, sorry guys, the bot made a mistake and the money is gone. So it's not that safe. What I like is the, okay, they have been audited, the contract, that's good, and KYC, that's good. What I don't like is that you can't just get your initial out whenever you want. That's not good. Let me show you about us, okay? harvestkeeper is an innovative project that allows to optimize the process of trading on the cryptocurrency market, maximizing the profit and reducing the risk of losing operations by eliminating errors due to human factor, okay? You can see the team here. Yeah, you can read all of this yourself, but basically it's, they say you're gonna get 4.81% daily. And yeah, positive, guys, okay? What is positive? They have been KYC, the contract has been audited. What I don't like, you can get your initial out. And now the big question is, would I advise to invest in this? I would really say no. I mean, they are not like all red flags or so, but I've seen many projects like this, and I really just stick to trading, guys, to trading like trading Bitcoin, trading Ethereum, and all of the coins. If you also want to trade, check my trading tutorials in the links, And with my links, if you want to sign up, for example, to Phemex, you will always get the highest available bonuses, guys. Okay, so I would recommend just trade. You make your own decisions, and you're not gonna get the rug pulled or whatever. So yes, guys. So please, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.